All right, so right now I'm just cold calling real estate agents if wondering if they need photography assistance or um, refresh their photos that is up on Zillow. I should have done this at the 10 calls beforehand, but there's a lot of rejections and stuff like that. However, there's three leads that I got from it. One of them who was very, very interested in. I'm gonna touch base with her tomorrow, so I scheduled an appointment to talk tomorrow. And the other ones, they just require a little bit more information, but they're not shutting me down like the rest of them. What are they doing? So let's go ahead and give them a call. All right, how to set up my camera? I think should be good. All right, let's go on to the next one that I targeting. That way you can see the process of cold calling. Let's see. Perfect. This is great. This one clearly doesn't have anything on it. So let's see if I can find a number here. Oh, never mind. It's a foreclose. See this one? This one is good. Skirt. There we go. Winner, chicken dinner. Let's see what this guy has to say. Hi, Rafael. I saw the property on Roscoe Boulevard. Uh, I was wondering if you need a refresh on your photos on Zillow or MLS. I could go ahead and do that for you for a price of. Thank you. Voicemail. Sorry, I forgot that this was on. Um, Perfect. Here's another one. Let's see here. Hi, Vera. This is Dan. My name is Daniel. I'm looking for real estate agents who would like to refresh their photos on MLS. The property that I'm looking for right now is the Tampa Avenue. I know they just launched in the market 6 days ago. Are you interested at all of redoing the photos? No, but I, you know what I do need is an aerial shot. Do you do aerial shots with a drone? Yes, I do. Okay, what would it cost to do a couple of aerial shots? And so tell me about your services, and then yeah, absolutely, not a problem. So pretty much what I charge is I'm just a local photographer here, just starting up. Um, I do have various packages, but that's on my website. I'm just calling you like in directly to you and giving you this price, just to get things going, to get put myself out there, you know. Mhm. Yeah, I could do all of that stuff. I could Photoshop everything. If there's a fireplace, I could put fire there. If there's black TVs, I could put an image there. That way, it doesn't look odd that it's off. Uh, so it's a very detail. I'm very detail oriented in that sense. Uh huh. Got it. Mhm. Yeah, I can see that. Mhm. 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 Okay. Right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Ye- You know, for you, like, I'll go ahead and do it if you want to just book it right now. It's $50, just for a couple of the aerial shots, the Photoshop and everything. Yeah, I could do that easily for $50. Yeah. So what I require is pretty much just let them know that there's gonna be uh, a drone aerial shot being taken off, whether it's this whenever the best day available for them. No cars in the parking lot or in the car in the garage or anything like that. No kind of objects laying around too as well to make it easier for me to photoshop. Yeah, trash cans. Yeah, just keep them out of the way, and it's very easy. It's just for them to pretty much be aware that I'm gonna be there just with my drone. I don't need to go inside of the house or anything like that. Hmm. Perfect. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Hmm. Yes. Yeah, I'll go ahead and set up invoice right now, and then that way I can you can pretty much look over and make a payment straight to there. And what was the last question? I'm so sorry to cut you off. For me, let's see here. I mean, even it could be the tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm booked. I have a photo shoot, a Twilight photo shoot. How about for July? Yeah. Um, so for the aerial shots, it's best to do it on sunset time. So that will be roughly around 7-ish. Perfect. Sorry. Completely blanked out. That is 4th of July in 2 days. And it's a family thing. Yeah, Friday works. Hmm. It will be 7. At 7 o'clock is the best time since it pretty much sunsets like around 8-ish. So it gives me enough time to get more of the visual of the property. Mhm. Mhm. Yes. Mhm. Uh huh. Okay. Perfect. And then, what is the best email for me to send you the invoice? Okay. Uh huh. Now. Uh huh. Okay. I'll go ahead and pull it up on Google Maps or Google Earth. That way I can see the layout of the house and I can pretty much screenshot it and then I could give you some tests of photos. That way you can see it and then if you tell me that it's good, I'll go ahead and recreate that. Otherwise, I'm gonna do pretty much everything and give you everything that I took in that day. It seems like you got some. If you have a vision of what you want to recreate, you know. Got it. Right. Got it. Uh huh. Yeah. Yes, exactly. By Saturday morning, it would be up and ready. It doesn't take me long to edit the photos, so I usually do it i- in that 24 hours frame or in 8 hours frame. So I'm pretty quick with it. I'll send you all my information, all my details, and everything. I have a website and everything, so no worries. Like, yeah, so you can see my work. No. No, you don't. Uh, no, you do not. That's pretty much MLS and stuff. That I'm just gonna be complying with MLS. I believe there's a yard sign, right? Okay, so I need to block that. Mm-hmm. No, no, you do not. You own the photos. Yeah. Thank you so much. There we go. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Sounds like a plan. No, thank you, Elvira. Likewise. Bye bye. That's it.